Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access OBB and Data Folder on your Android phone so that you can copy your game files or any other files to these two folders. So if you go to your File Manager app, just to check, so you will see that there is access restrictions on these two folders. So you can't access the files inside this folder and you can't move or copy any file to this folder. Let me try and copy a file inside this folder. Couldn't copy it. So which means the access is denied. You can't access this folder. So same thing with the data folder. Now if I go to my extraction app, this is the file I used to extract my game files. So the same thing, you can't access the data and OBB folder on this extraction app too. And I will also check the file manager that came pre-installed on this phone. So due to Android restriction, the content of this folder can only be shown on the computer. So if you are facing this kind of issue, we are going to see how to fix it in this video. So same thing with the data folder. But let me first show you the version of this Android. So this phone is running on the latest Android version, which is Android 14. So this guide is going to work on Android 11, 12, 13 or 14. So the first thing to do is to go to Google Play and download RA app. I will recommend RA Archiver app when you want to extract any files. So now I will try to extract my game files, my game OBB file. When you are using um, RA Archiver app, make sure you select keep broken files so that you don't face any extraction issue. Now I've extracted my files. Now I will show you how to copy it to the OBB folder. So go to your app launcher and go to app info. Then go to install unknown apps and allow this permission. After allowing this permission, wait for about 10 seconds before you open the app. So now you can see the files inside the OBB is now showing. I will also copy files to the OBB folder. So let me copy this file to the OBB folder. So that's it. We have been able to copy our game file to the OBB folder. Now you can also extract your files directly to this OBB folder. Let me show you how to do that. So that's just it. We have been able to copy, we have been able to access the OBB folder and copy our game files. You can copy any files to this using this method to the OBB folder. Now the catch is that you enable, I will check this. I'm going to use another file manager app to access the OBB folder. So just allows this permission. So the catch is to allow this permission, this install unknown apps permission, so that your file manager can access the OBB folder. Then wait for about 10 seconds after allowing the permission before you open it. As you can see, it's now showing the files under the OBB folder. I will also try the file manager that came pre-installed on this one, just to show you that the catch here is that you should allow the permission to install on more apps. Let me try this file manager app too. Wait for about 10 seconds after I enable the permission. So that's just how to copy your game files to OBB folder. You can now access your OBB folder on your Android phone. Now to access your data folder, so let me try this method. The method we use for the OBB, let's try it. But I first extract the game data file. So I'll try to copy this file to the data folder. Permission error. So you still can't access the data folder. So unlike the OBB folder, this method is not going to work for the data folder. As you can see, same thing for other file manager app. They can't access the data folder. So now I'm going to show you how to access the data folder too. So go to your Play Store and search for Files by Mac App and Software. This is the shortcut to the System File Manager app. So just install it. So now go to your data folder. So this file manager can access this data folder, but you can't make a direct copy of any files to this folder from this file manager app. So I'm going to show you how to copy to the data folder now. Let me try and copy a file to this data folder, just to show that it won't work directly. So it's not showing any of these folder, so you can't access it directly like this. So let me show you how to copy it. What you need to do now is to open the data folder, then go to the three dots at the top right corner, click new window, so that we have two windows of this same app. So this is the two windows of this same app that is opened. So now you need to enable split screen and show the two windows inside the split screen. So now you have to Google how to enable split screen on your phone. So now you will open the data folder on one window and go to the your data file, your game data file on the other window. Select data file and drag and drop it in the data folder. So now it's copying the file now. As you can see, it's done. Let's see whether it's actually copied. Oh, so there we have it. So we have been able to access both OBB and data folder and copy our game files. So this is just how to access both OBB and data folder. So if you have gained anything from this video, do like and subscribe. So as just a final tip, when you want to install any game files, make sure you install the APK and don't open it before you copy your OBB or data file. And also, I would recommend using Archive app to extract any game files. So just make sure that you tick keep broken files when you want to extract any file, and also make sure that you don't minimize the app so that you don't face any extraction error. Thanks for watching.